This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your browser and choosing incognito or a privacy mode. This prevents cached results from skewing what you see. Type the exact movie title and year into Google to narrow matches, and add the format you want like streaming or download to focus the results. Make sure you include language or region if relevant, because search rankings differ by country. Once done, glance at the top results for official streaming platforms and verified sources before continuing. Next, refine the query with operators. Put the title in quotes, "ad site," for a specific provider or file type. To find certain file formats, these techniques reduce noise. You should scan snippets for distributor names, runtime, and release year to confirm you have the correct movie, then open promising links in new tabs. Make sure to use Google's time filter and region settings to surface recent or local availability. If a top result looks questionable, compare across a couple of trusted platforms before proceeding. Finally, verify each found link by checking for official branding, a secure padlock, and accurate metadata. This helps avoid pirated or harmful sites. If you still can't find a legal link, try alternate spellings, include the director or lead actor, or use aggregator terms like where to watch to reveal rentals and library options. If results seem blocked by region, consider a VPN or clear your cache and retry with the appropriate country setting. Troubleshooting tip: if playback fails, refresh and confirm browser and DR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.